know. School picking up, man, inside. School picking up, man, inside. What is school picking up, man, inside. Who's first one? Picking up, man, come. Unagira chakula kaisa, unakaisa. The president was picking them. Aha! The president was picking them. Aha! Okay, so we can't start this meeting now. We start with prayers. So now we make Al-Fatiha. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us. Okay, so I'm going to announce the Chief Minister for the program. Thank you very much. Mr. Patamala here, but we don't get much time. One country! You look at some of you don't forget here. One country! One people! One country! Yeah, we know you have to be a Greenland. We know here that SABP is strong with this and colonial speak. But we look at you and don't forget. We don't waste too much time because we have 3 more meetings. Straight away, we go to the region chief to welcome the president, His Excellency, Dr. Julius Madabio. Region chief, sir. Madabio! His Excellency, Honorable Vice President, First Lady, Madam Fatima Dabibie, Cabinet Ministers, Members of Parliament, Parliament chiefs, government officers, local authorities, members of the board experts, our security, both soldiers and the police. Can you clap for that? We all know how the road is very, very important to me. Because of the bad road, but with the good development, they will never get an eye. Let us go. Also, because of the bad road, the number of people will produce them. Forget about that. Produce. Now, people will be the production and work. Let us go. What we don't do is one know what we have to do. Let us go. Then they are so, those guys who they use. Let us know they use. But the friend look out of the they will never say because of bad road. But this good information all don't know so. We don't come back, but you say, you don't have to know. I'm not saying, you don't see that to me. We don't see that. The road open the road, I did you all the way to come to the road, I did you. What do you know what Adam will do this? You pay for the aid. Let me say, so about those president agency, we ask God to let us so that this project will complete quick. When they ask God, ask God, I don't know what they're going to do. We ask God, what they're going to work in them. We ask God, President Ye, we want to plenty thank you for your free quality education will bring up mathematics to our lives. We all know what people have to say. Then next year, we're not going to get TSS. But this one time, we're not going to get TSS for our school also. But this year, Mr. President, the school will not get structure. If I can tell you, because of what accept the TSS, because of not letting go back to the Bedu, we accept who were slaves. That is the to go right now. They were slaves, that is the go. We just brought an award from this. The community people, we don't contribute for the structure. We don't almost move the structure. We don't know for plaster the structure, for seal painting, toilet, and pump. So kindly, Mr. President, before the structure of the new DSS to the camp, please, for Pune begin another experience, for Pune another dear Papa, I want to look, let us put for complete that structure where they are. We also have to follow the center for the MPSC. We begin accident now, but one of the other teacher. When we get a beginning and go, if pass the accident, it needs to party food. I don't know if the man can select down the vacancy. So we glad the one to get center there. So begin going to ready again, to go with MPSC again. Let us go. So Papa, MPSC, thank you for that. We also thank you for the easy access to public exam. Brother, we pay money for now we go access to begin a research also. But now we all going to look at further with the small we access to begin a research. Let us say, Papa government, we want to thank you for also if we get problem that the Congo European Eastern will not be get bridge at the place. But with your help, we will get 4 contact bridge from the Sonora Paso to lead to Kute. So thank you for that. We also thank you for the free medical medicine. But that we standing, one thing you say, the free medical drugs, they become now slow. So we want for that medicine every month. We also say the kind of private this kingdom, the SFP kingdom. All the stuff out there, doing Kakaba in time. That problem is here now, doing Kakaba in time. There was people that went to the kingdom, doing Kakaba in time. I want to tell you, say, there was people there who need for rehabilitation. There is a problem there. Because 30 years now, we don't get education.
The people will do. Also, I want to say, I'm not saying no problem there. The problem will realize something. I want to say, the water we get, we don't think we will not get, but it's not sufficient for we. If I tell you that this one big town like more than 100 houses, I only one pump we get. Only one hand pump now we get. That is means that any week with the maintenance app. So on our leg can give our own. But we need solar pump. Don't stop solar no more. We can thank them so that we put them. So that every the hospital, you not get water, for no life. We get patient pass the can, we get cobra pass the can. So we need solar water now. We got the pump now, but can't the solar no more. Then the water will come up so that the distributors now they place. So we also want to tell you say, if you come on the Boma, you will see solar light. If you go Kankodu, you will see solar light. If you can't come out, you will see solar light. So what time of the law? But also we are also part of the law this the National Table Protection, although we far. We cannot kill up with the money we, then you don't have commission to the road. The road now they enjoy them with the keep you one back. And keep you one back. But from today now, with the program level teachers, let this road complete. Okay, now for agriculture. Agriculture, so we tell you plenty in agriculture. Last year, you support the youth. You see, we will tell you say, we don't cut this rice, we don't harvest them, we don't knock them, we don't knock them, we don't put out the house, but we not get store. We not get our drone at the farm. So we store in the street now, we also put our store in the security. So when the time they can't go to the north level, you put one the small ones over there, you don't let them go. So we need store and transfer. So then in case we also need power tiller. The power tiller they become the Boku. Whatever to other you do for yourself, maybe power tiller by zero. So that will empower the good them. They tell me that I do so that the rope will do the rope. So then quick use for them. The first of time, I will stop here because when you see what the power can talk, I have a talk here, I know what you can ice. What the power they can talk, I know what you can ice. But I also want to use the opportunity to the Chief Minister for say of best market. With the 150 calendar, we get contributors for you and the mommy. So if you minister, if you come here, you will go take up. Tell the contributors to take up to our local. So, Mathematical, I tell my 2020, when I come to attend this city. So I wish you all good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You don't talk the father, you don't win the cause. Quick one. What are the youth leader I am? So can talk small, 2 minutes. So which one are they are? What's the leader? Or they don't talk about the problem. Quick one, 2 minutes.
Power to the youth! Power to the youth! One people! Excellency, Honorable Vice President, Members of Parliament, Chairmanship, all authorities, on behalf of the youth, we tell the party for the visit where it comes for visit people in today. We tell about plenty thank you for a visit of we also tell about thank you for the free quality education where it gives for the people in Ladi. As you know, you students here, they do well. I'm also to tell the party to the Minister of Youth Affairs, where he gives support to the district youth council. Trainings that don't happen towards the youth, to tell the party. And also the fire dream where it comes in this country for the agriculture for all matter to the party, the youth of Macedon, put hand under your word and we don't let you walk down. You know, a very big large pump, now we don't have it. Now we do an harvesting. The youth are not enough strong. So you see say you dream on talk, they happen, it don't happen. Don't say talk and do. We don't talk and we don't do it. We give you high support, we campaign and we win. We campaign and we win. Okay, we campaign and we send the party you dream, let me stop the ending. Then you continue towards the agriculture in this country, then you put agriculture business, the youth are really ready for help towards the development where in the town Nadi Kingdom. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Don't make a deep point. We don't hear the battle, you can't answer. Where are the woman leader there? He said, can't talk small, eh?
Now, good morning. Good afternoon. The bar, Mr. Manda Bio, Fatima Bio, who they tell una plenty thank you. Una come out, now una come out freedom with 12 body. Now God make una go back with 12 body. Now God bless una. Una the help una this, my pendrive, may God bless una. We the woman that say for Gladys, where una don't cow, they tell una thank you. More, the school business una don't cow, inside my pendrive. The guy the father they say the water business more. Inside my pendrive, you know it's for we. We know they better borrow them back inside my pendrive. So when the father and the mommy una don't cow, so we allow una help with. The woman that say for there. If mother dies, begin and then they go school, but knowledge. Mr. Mother Bill, Fatima Bill, they talk to una. Now una help with. When they begin there, when their father don't die, their mama then don't die, then at school, support knowledge. So, if una don't come, we can tell una, now this day they are not going to step on ya. Then the school side, business side, we not with a friend. But yeah, part of business of our own income. Police never only to do business in all day. So they buy the money, they are with the control. They are happy. The Macedon, we have the town of that country, Macedon. From the beginning, for the president, I inside Macedon, and the first send it. So the president is
Hello. Okay. The people that there, the young man they don't talk, the woman they don't talk. But the community we don't decide say one stakeholder for talk. And this stakeholder, the example of the example of a success story where President building for. Then I know my capital development. Somebody will go school now, will start school now, will find himself at the international level, just from this village. Okay, any other person. A person will come on at this small town or this big town where a south and brother and don't marry them. Sit out, as a community say no.
Western Koto, Vice President, Mama, Wipiki, Sister, Fatima Bio, Cabinet Ministers, Wipiki, Dr. Sanya, the town of Turkey, they welcome her. President, at this village, at this big town, for us. As they say, I don't tell the people that say, now when they see President, they say, no, now you're not the first president. They say, head of state, I say, but they say president. So we appreciate very much. When you can't help to entourage, we don't see president, we don't see VP, we don't see first lady, we don't see minister of education. And the first time, Excellency, I go school for 1 year, that RC school. I come on there, I go to KSS, UMC Gas, I go KSS, I go from Aniwash, I go from Ekole, I go United Kingdom already. At this village. I joined United Nations. I be the first woman UN representative in this country. At this village. President, when I come back, I come to my village. I didn't say DSS study. I say, DSS study. I say, no day. They say from West Sababu project in Ghana, Dr. Uri brings Sababu project. Now they tap. No development not take place. I wrote to Dr. Senge, let him up. Let him see. I said, this government, higher education. He said, I'm not going to start to the school under a mango tree. Well, we're not a mango tree. We're going to start to school in Smith. Well, we're there for 2 now. We're there for a standard primary JSF at this region. President, we can't organize the woman there. That t-shirt they want to get. We can't join concerned women of Kono district. We project that beans to the grow. Every man they grow rice, they grow beans. Because planters not there. Now once a week they go market. Now Guinea. On Mondays. Sundays if they get transport, they're going to one store where they go in better. Then pass Komadu. Now they go market. And the water talk where they they talk. Now this store when they go up, with my man there, they not be the big there or they throw the water. They throw my water and they throw 2 days. Because the value where they are and then they go get. And the drinking water they 2 kilometers away. And they make the horn. 4 o'clock, we go get water. So all them cry there, the Jenny cry there, I can attest to them, and if you want to for appeal. Now you bring my capital development, where they talk about. There are so many Sitaka guys now, Mr. President. Well, if we give them capacity, for let them become Sitaka. Beginning there, they go school, don't die. They say the road now wide enough for let go see. But if we ever get the school, so many Sitaka guys they go Canada, they go come on now. I mean the WFP coordinator, now get can do them 42 come down. Now maybe they have burger. Now maybe they share the distribution. So they are believing they are believing gas education. We provide them believing them. They give equal opportunity. So, Mr. President, we welcome you. We are overjoyed. We are overwhelmed with joy for our visit. Thank you for waiting. Mr. Senge, thank you. Dr. Judah Jallo, he be the car holiday and one of them also. So, I hope this. So, we thank you very much. We thank you now. Dr. J.J. Safa, Mr. Safa, you not development practitioner. Mr. Safa Grab, this is an example. When you empower white people, and put the head, he said, if the people that want staff, if they work in a working bank, if come on there, one back home, he said, I want the job. He said, he wants staff in party. So, we don't say, we don't clap for her. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Antisita Kaikai. Well, an example of a woman. But again, the women's empowerment through different strategies, different things the way they happen at the country. We get somebody with the loudest voice. The loudest voice, who said we'll get some time, let it tell a number for just make clear woman they know say if we are all somewhere, we are going to all side of the world. But to anybody that the Mami says Mrs. Fatima W. Bureau.
Assalamu alaikum. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, Honorable Vice President, Antisita, Mr. James, our Chief Minister, I'm really happy for the night today. Myself na kono picking on the first day where they come na den saya. If you don't go meet the people there, you don't go sabi them problems then. So I'm glad you will get the chance to come to this place. And I know the no say na Antisita Komot. I be teaching up to you. Because when you say I go put you at the CRD, but now I don't understand say for real na me real Nancy. Because na kono Komot. We also say na president way they go meeting people then. You know, they sit down for wait, let ministers then come for council and the people in problems then. Except they go meet the people then. Because now through the journey here, what we do, now we dey sabi, waiting the people in problems. Now we go sabi, other than the woman they waiting at this fire. Now you go know how many girl pickings they then at this fire where they suffer. Now for let you ask for a school. I say yes now for all the picking them. But that school day, if the government give them to this kind of place, then will protect the picking them. And that one day for me, now something was very much important. So, Mr. Betel for Joanne and Sisita for ask the government of Sierra Leone, let them provide school, especially for places where the girl picking the one for land. Because when we allow we girl picking for land book, they change this country here. It don't mean say when man land book na bad thing. But when girl picking land book, una lepa ke me uncle them all. I believe say una always get girl picking them, una know say girl picking them is sorry for the parents them. Girl picking the sorry for the parents them. And the reason that one they made an example of that girl picking. My mama Yvonne Boku boy picking them. Me na one of the girl picking the way born. But alhamdulillah today, I believe say you no go talk no more na public, but you go say if na Fatima wanna be born in nobody. So here, me na beg at the beg. I don't go around the campaign for hands off our girls. And the word hands off our girls, it means say they man them, therefore left them picking them, let them allow them, let them go to school. The word hands off our girls, it don't mean say when you picking, you don't see her, you don't grow, you able for cook, means say you don't reach for be woman. When we go around and they tell people, they say hands off our girls. Not force you picking for go get and married, where you not ready. Because they tell una, most of the women then where they die in this country are where go born picking. Now then small picking there. Now then they die in hospitals. Now then they die in they host them where they get better for born. Where picking not ready for born. If you get to man, the man they go get better. And as long as the picking in body not ready, you don't get in trouble. So that dowry where you don't take for you picking and give to that man, say let go marry them. Say before you picking they die after 1 year, the dowry don't done. Then some say you don't go get money, except for berry picking. And the man where you don't give to, inside 6 months you don't go marry other woman. If you forget say if you married you picking, you don't die in hand. So do you mean a beg and a beg una? No una allow una picking them. No una allow when you see girl picking is serious for go school. Allow her make you go school. When girl picking land, then they change the world. When you give girl picking that chance for let a land book. I know say you go get girl picking away and they talk to them, go say and see me own bread don't butter. But I once let the girl picking no say if I not be land book, mother be you know they married me. Because nobody, no president, no minister will tell you, any minister safe way get work we no land book, they're not in common and do with her. So if you want let you picking, be that woman, where president sit down, you picking sit down. Where minister sit down, you picking sit down. Give them the chance, make a land book. Because where a land book, even the man where they married them, they respect her. So at the beg Nigeria, don't allow the picking them, the girl picking them, and at the transmitted the join for beg the government. Let them give them the school, the facility where they need for let them go to school. Let them give them. So that they self will be somebody in this country here. Now I don't hear my sister they talk about the women empowerment there. And also with mama them, some the why they talk to me mama self na been that kind of person. When I not understand the reason why I make this priority where they talk about for we allow we picking them, make them, let them go to school. Me self na been victim of that one day. I did 11 years when my mama and my papa then don't sign for give me for marriage. Me na maningo picking. 11 years. And no, that man who have been called uncle every day they come at my house, uncle. One day my mama and my papa then turn to me, they say, now this day for married you. From that moment, I don't even know if I want finish school, I don't want finish school because what I care for already, they don't go bring for me one part, they say, now get for married me. Now if you God, war na bad thing, mommy na the war saved me. Because if the one of income, I no go sabi mad at you. So tell that man you don't marry me. So tell the first day one before go try for born picking. Now that day therefore don't die. Me you don't. They don't forget about me by now. But when the war come, God make I able for come out to say me mama and me papa them day. I find me way and reach England. When I go England, I not go do idleness. I go learn book. I don't learn book and come back. And today when me mama and me papa then they sit down and they look me in me eye, every day they remind them. I say, when I remember when I been give me to that man, waiting before don't happen, when I know they sit down a president he was. So dear, no be that papa or that mama, when you picking will remind you tomorrow, say, if not so you been do me this, I for don't better. And the beguna. I know say this na tough thing, this na hard thing, especially for me Muslim family there because as sabi. And I know say now we specialize in them thing and day. But even in the Quran, God not say let first you begin. Any sign of the Quran where they write and say God say first you begin for marriage. If you show me I swear they left this campaign. You know they are no surah. Because I sabi the Quran for you. You know they are no surah. Then they say Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam he married Aisha when he's small. But he not care about in house. He wait say he be a woman. Pikin na pikin. Don't allow them, let them be pikin. Let them done their school, let them finish their school. So I want to say thank you. When God don't bless we so now today, President Bio, he can't fix this road. By the grace of God, even without this road. I want to know say I no go turn stranger to una again. When God don't bring me here, I'm going to send me set me own way for the time to go to una and can't talk to una. Let God bless una all. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello. Now this to the man say ampo. Until London, the Mamido answer. That is all? Yeah, the Mamido answer. Thank you very much, Madam Fatima Bill. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we don't can the talk on our year report. The power get what they call inclusive development, meaning every part of Sierra Leone. I'm glad they want to talk say why the president reach it. Because the president left to the reach it. But he don't start saying that the border is start development. But the thing they would not ask for, we know the talker. We like a customer, they just tell we say shoe with the shoe. As it said, no more we go from, yeah? So with the wait now, when I pray God, friend, no, which will not job, which is the answer, yeah? How am I don't beg for now? On this note, I ask the president, your president, His Excellency, retired Brigadier Dr. Julius Madapio, for talking to you for tonight. Thank you.
Madam First Lady, the Honorable Vice President, Chief Minister, Ministers, Deputy Ministers, the Members of Parliament within Aya, the Chiefdom Elders, including the Regent Chief, the big woman them, and the seven I do. Kupikile there. Kupikile there. Young man in there. Diary in there. Diary in there. Okay, we're all Monday. Okay, I'm glad for the my freedom back today because waiting the Chief Minister called inclusive. That means say we young Kamu council. Anything we do not freedom, we make sure say we not get to our own. When they say SFPP, when I'm in a party, my friend in particular, I want for me to be proud of our party. Because Nakumbra party, you know how Kumbra they say, they make sure say all man get also. Kumbra, even if you elect the other one, they make sure say all man get. As soon as I don't cry for certain things, they will not get. But the one big problem we will not get, we have the road to come on for Kanaya. What are they make? Plenty of the things they will they ask for, it go easy for bring Kanaya. But we tell us the people in there for it, we don't want the Kanaya. Well, under we young government, it's not going to be so. Because road Badu, Badu. Once Macedona part of Salon, we get for make sure say una say get to na your market na ya. Because this road they can make, not a road for go free to no more, it get for big international road. Because when remember say if you come out Gogedu and you want to go Conakry, the roadway they take from Gogedu is nicer, Guinea no more in the past. You do over 1,100 kilometers. But if you pass Naya, you hit my Shaka, and then you want for go Conakry, it will be less than 600 kilometers. That's half the distance. So that means say, Musa will not be the go, now then go for the car Naya now. So she's not ready, because here they can open. And when I know why we do that, we say we are for benefit from SFPP because we na proper green activity on this. We don't always see SFPP. We fix support now. And we are proud. I don't count that the second time this. And when they say the road bad, I say once they did them after Mr. We now education we start for. We stand for the government. Now make where the work ourselves, the Minister of Basic and Senior Secondary Education, is there with me. And he don't confirm say we go put on our own junior secondary school now. When I say when I not get the examination center, you don't come now also. We will make sure that we maintain an eye, yeah? When I get one word for now, for this one also, when the Minister of Water Resources today, it's planned already. Okay, we will make sure that we get what we call solar powered borehole. Where you don't need for go pull the water, the power they send up at the tank, then they keep train way for distributor at the zone, so that when we get different pipeline, tap lane, inside you go open there, you get clean water for drink. Of course, for Kamanaya, waiting up one for male pay attention to first, that the big road for Kanaya. So that in Kamanaya, you go reach Freetown, and like now old motor get. That's why they are sitting with the car more frequently. Then, we brothers and sisters will come up with you. You're going to find it easy for Ghana now. But the way this road is laid, I shall say, sit as yourself, you're going to come, but you're not going to come as frequent as how you will not go see. We'll make this road, so then every Saturday you will not come. Because not a long distance. Now bad number the road bad. Now that make now we your business for make sure they will not get this road, yeah? So that means the agriculture business, when your money they talk about, we not pay attention to that. That produce the will not be the care going to Guinea, we'll go for the car and go down at Kwaidu. Because where they come, yeah, all them at the bush, as system at the plant, plenty coffee and cocoa. We get other produce there, we don't come. Where we get for introduce, so that we not get money in a bush. Bush get money. Agriculture get money. I'm glad for when I don't begin the rest business. Last year we not able to arrange them properly. But when I start they do plenty rest business there. And you're in the agriculture area. So that support will get for give. Now for make sure say we extend not a small garden that you for make. Cocoa enough of this small, cacao enough of this small place. Now for enlarge the way itself then. Maybe hundreds of acres. Coffee themselves, banana, plantain, and rest. That way they will not be able to make money where decent for take care of themselves. Of course, if we get for do that one day, depending on how big when I actually do, not just dry floor and store when I need. We get a small machine there where you don't cut the rest, you put a day in the cleaner for you, but before you clean it, it's one for multi parboil them, then they parboil them, he dry them, he clean them, he put them in a bag. I think say this part of the country, the traveling kind of machine. If they talk about power tiller then, and I think that the kind ecology, the kind place they own again, let me they talk about power tiller. But we don't begin buying tractors as a government, and we distribute them tractors then. And some of the places we have seen are tractors they will play. So we don't want gardening. We want for plant rest. When they rest, we have no need for buy with man rest. They can't land the way I see, and the way we want land fertile. So we will talk about that one day. But the big obstacle, the one thing where they make we not able to and see for we say, nine at this road. And this road, we don't start on today, and we will make sure say we not an ordinary road, not tar road where they can pass. So much to do. That darkness we have been there. We all man we don't forget to now. But we not forget. We not keep. We not promise to SFPP. SFPP. Digits know where they keep them out. He said from where SFPP do the health center. That health center said we go for rehabilitation. We get for make sure say everything we need now. Chief Minister, before them will get a mini grid now, me responsible for 10 lights then. When I deserve them, because when I don't work for them, when I don't show waiting with man called loyalty. Wait, say na ya you dey, you must be tracker one. All man knows say that they dey. So, must you know? They say now we are there at the end of the world, not so? Well, we know not. We time they come, we know not to go Guinea again. Now Guinea will be coming. Now so we in government there, now inclusive. We want anything where we they do for particular. Now freedom, we for do for them one day. Where Chief Minister will talk this he said we'll get one example. Mrs. Kaikai, not so. Mrs. Kaikai Naya come on I school, but you don't ever use her. Oh, I come on at the end of the world. So me at the sit down, at the luckily for we, if Papa and Mama they don't make it married when he's small, he don't finish his school. Now, not to read first thing, but he get a roof over his head. If you go down any partner in the world, and of course you don't go down plenty partner in the world, in the work. Woman, once it's a big book, then they respect you any side of the world. It don't work for some of the biggest international organizations that are in the world. Now that make we say, man, bring them to kill them there. And the sister among the one they are so easy also. And the one they will not do. Now opportunity no more for give them. We not give them chance. If when sister they go to school, they not be give a chance, they not for the sister. Now other sister for don't be. But the sister will get so a different sister. And it is. And the children get picking and they see the young man themselves. When they talk about the get picking, they say the jealous. No, so they say nobody knows they talk for me. They want to get in there. You know, now the woman they no more will be talk for now. Because they will not talk as trouble for me. They want to get in there, no, so. And they beg now, where they go school. The only way for save this muffin dog, for saving our parents, the way they live and not where they put power now. Now for go school, learn the book, Shanga one. Once you study that book there, I know they say you know the poem, but I hand so much. Hey, your mama and your daddy. The Bible say you will be able to take care of them. The mommy and the daddy then, why will they take care of them taking their so will they put money on them? Where they some man where you don't know who said they say the ground dry. when you get money, and they put up at the one there because now for una sake, the tower una the old, the one there and then they take care of una. But they will only able to take care of una if they get the proper education. Yes? So now on una behalf, we dey spend so. That loan where you go take for make them go school. Now you don't get for take them. We dey buy books for them, we dey pay for examination for them, and we dey make sure say on side and day inside Team Tranga, bad one, we dey provide even food for them. Now them big toilet, maybe where my friend don't big small, then the third day, so they will give now one small boy, so let's say with the block me. Now when they talk come. Because you are not what they can get, because you bring over there. But until they make a road, they make a smooth one, take a then the bus will drive, you know. My friend said they pick them with the runner bus now. When I saw this runner bus, yes, sir. When I go to wave now, they can't pick them. Now, free to where they kiss it on the way they see me. That's what they wave through. Then when I say go to block there, now this SFPP, now that no more come for make sure say we spend for them when I pick there because I then get for take care of them. All I go for me. I don't know who can and give them money, but that money we government get. Any picking, like we feel them say that when I get for even ask people for school. No, now we responsibility. We take all of that off on our head. Let them pick in the land. We don't know what they get for me. So much of that. Now when I get for one day president, not so. Just to pick anybody want to be president? How many? You see, my don't get plenty president. Let's go and go for it for me. My don't get plenty president. Almost one for the North Day. But they want it. North Day. Now North Day, then they take care of now, yeah? Mommy North Day, I see two North Day there. You see, now they want to take care of now. If you wait with them at the end of the world, now they want to take care of now. When I thank you very much, I recognize and acknowledge the kind of work that they do. And acknowledge for sooner, at the end of the world, when I did now, when they represent government, and when they take care of the one there, with a plenty donor. Teacher they there, now the most wonderful people they don't want in this. Now the most wonderful people they don't want in. We always see this sexy talk where they talk so. If they talk English show with the bluff, now they want to now they teach we. Now they teach we, say we don't reach here. Now they come out there. Any sound said a day, we have to support them. Because school, when they talk about school, quality education, now they teach them. So we have to, as a community, now for the support them. When we get good teacher, they better teach them to get there. Then one day, then now in fact, when I know it's I don't do for again, I don't make the road for Ghana. We can't make the road for Ghana, you know so? We don't want to get them on a train. We don't open university in Akwedu town. So that young man and that woman there, they're not going to go free to know. The Akwedu University of Science and Technology. Now they're there and they are going to go. The book where they go land, this is no one they land. So for now, we don't get everything because we deserve them. And me, at the blog told the minister the other day, say that university, they get to be one of the best universities there. Because for not people, they're able to learn book. So that challenge, we will not make a shame of. Yeah? The stupid there? So I don't talk for now. Then pardon them, young man then a big no give chance to the young girl them let them learn. When they self learn, as we don't see, one simple example and the sitter it will help. But just imagine if we get 5 or 10 of you guys. Now one no more day for not so. Maybe other one then they will be not sabi. But when we talk about my finger, now and the sitter they think about first. Because I miss sabi. But if we get 5 of them, would they bring this? Would they bring that? Would they bring this? Mafindo the change. Now that are the essence, yeah? We get them boys picking them back. We don't know what they get for me. Now for push them. The best way, the world where they are ahead of we. If you don't study book, you know the book benefit from it. I beg when I make me when I picking a land book. When see Fulamana itself, then the land book tell them get PhD now also. For the way they say Fulamana, now wherever they live also. Tell me of Fulaman, you get whatever, tell now. You get whatever. But you go to map any side. You go to map any side. Today I'll be the one that I say, wait, so you the one they can have. Pastor then tell me if they can have for holiday. Now give them the telling story. So everybody learn. I like you learn your Arabic, your Quran, learn the Westman book. This one, the one now for God, make it be the road for God to God. The other one, now for this world. Yeah? So at the time that plenty thank you. But if you know me, I'm glad for Canada. All man they said, some people they sit on a do. Me at the paper going under the road bad. I said, once people they didn't have to with the candy. And at the car we don't cancel. They are glad for swimming. Like always, now they give you a big welcome. I'm glad for the things that way the chief don't give on behalf. And I'm glad for the Naya. And also the last time Naya. Like how Madam say, we will make the road so that we will carry her more often. When I thank you.
Thank you, Excellency. Remember, clap for the power, clap for the power. Thank you very much. Just one last talk. We are here with the power talk. Inclusive development and all money panel. What in Dr. Sanga the radical inclusion would have fit in so we go to far. And let me say we are the far, we are not get all team. All team I don't talk about the power give direction for here, the road that they make, the school that they went and call, you even add clinic there, you don't talk about solar light, all team. But more importantly, what you don't get by this vision, what I don't know about. And the fact say the mommy, hey, if you play God the mommy in the house, if you don't in the house, the problem you go straight. The mommy said that I adopt my friend as one of the children there. So we go on there, we're very sure. Okay, if you don't join the chief, we go on a meeting there, the pass here, let